Labubu Big Into Energy was sold out. I only managed to grab 3 of them. These are the first generation Big Into Energy Labubu. Restock. Yes. POPMART has finally restocked Big Into Energy Labubu. Managed to check out my order before it's out of stock again. Let's unbox this together. POPMART. Check the title. Big Into Energy has rainbow reflective foil lamination at about 45 degrees angle. There are glossy lamination around Labubu. Looks like sun ray. There are 6 blind boxes in a complete set. The designs are Labubu Loyalty, Labubu Hope, Labubu Love, Labubu Luck, Labubu Happiness, Labubu Serenity. In every full tray complete set, you may stand a chance to get the secret edition. Unboxing the first blind box. Check the POPMART logo. Check the Monsters logo. Similar as the big box packaging, the Big Into Energy has rainbow strips foil lamination at about 45 degrees angle. The Labubu ears are nicely trimmed. There are glossy lamination around Labubu. The eyes has glossy lamination too. The QR code sticker looks different. It has Labubu icon on it. Let's compare it with the first generation box. The QR code sticker is different between the Gen 1 and Gen 2. Gen 2 sources from Zhongshan,
Zhongshan,
Gen 1 sources from Shenzhen.
Shenzhen.
The batch numbers are different. Please excuse me, as I can't pronounce the Chinese words correctly. Gen 2 has more text compared to the Gen 1. The font looks thicker for the Gen 2, in comparison to the Gen 1. The gap between the top to the text is narrower for the Gen 2. Can you spot the difference? Additional text for Gen 2. Please leave in the comment below if you have spotted more differences between Gen 1 and Gen 2. Let's take a closer look. The Labubu for Gen 1 has more red tone in comparison to the Gen 2. It has the red strip to unbox. There is environmental diatom bag. My first blind box is Labubu Luck.
Huh?
Have you spotted? Gen 2 bag is different from Gen 1. This is Gen 2 packaging. This is the Gen 1 packaging. Gen 2 has drawstring bag, which you can recycle and reuse it. For Gen 1, the Monsters logo has missing letter S.
Oh!
This is the Gen 1 packaging. If you bought the Gen 1 Labubu Big Into Energy, you can cut the packaging to check. Authentic Labubu has watermark of the Big Into Energy POPMART logo, and the Monsters logo inside the inner packaging. Let's check out the Labubu Luck design. For Gen 2, the brand POPMART is engraved onto the metal ring. The arms are adjustable. Let's count. There are 9 teeth.
Oh my God.
This Labubu's right foot can only adjust slightly, while the left foot rotates 360 degrees. I guess due to the high demand, POPMART's production standards has compromised. The plush looks slimmer. The labels are different too. Let's scan the QR code after we unbox all the 6 blind boxes. Gen 2 Labubu has smaller labels. The head is rotatable. The estimated weight for Labubu Luck design is 123 grams. Unboxing the second blind box. I hope to get the secret special edition design. This is Labubu loyalty design. It comes with environmental diatom bag. Let's count. There are 9 teeth. Something is protruding at the arm area. This is so disappointing. Both the arms are adjustable. Let's check the feet. The right foot can adjust slightly, but the left foot is loose. It turns 360 degrees. For loyalty design, POPMART is engraved with pink color. Let's do a comparison between Gen 1 and Gen 2. My Gen 1 Labubu first stitching line is visible. It's poorly made. I would say the blush tone is similar. Gen 2 have POPMART engraved on the ring, but Gen 1 doesn't have it. Gen 1 Labubu's face looks wider. Oh my goodness, when I used a bit more force, the right foot starts to rotate. Let's check Gen 1. The feet can only adjust slightly for the Gen 1, the quality is better. The Labubu's hands have different color. Gen 1 label is bigger. Gen 2 QR code is smaller. Let's scan it later. Gen 2 label has lesser details. The estimated weight for Labubu loyalty design is 120 grams. Is it a happy or unhappy buy? Unboxing the third blind box. I wonder if it's the secret design. It's Labubu Serenity design. The strings has different colors for different bag. This Labubu looks cute. Let's count. There are 9 teeth. The arms are adjustable. For Gen 2, the brand POPMART is engraved onto the metal ring. This is so disappointing. The feet are loose and rotates easily. It's a poor production quality. The head is rotatable. Check the nail color. Check the labels. The estimated weight for Labubu Serenity design is 117.5 grams. Unboxing the fourth blind box. Could this blind box be the secret special edition design? Labubu Love. These strings are of a different color from what I have unboxed previously. Wait a minute. Why is the right arm longer than the left arm? When I push the left hand, the right hand moves upward. This is so disappointing. There is a protruding bum under the hand area. I was happy when POPMART restocked this Labubu Big Into Energy series, but I am unhappy with the quality of the Labubu. Let's compare it with Gen 1. Can you spot the difference? The color tone of the feet are slightly different. Different color tone. Gen 1 Labubu's face is rounder. Gen 2 Labubu's back is flat. The feet for Gen 2 rotates 360 degrees. Let's compare it with Gen 1. Oh dear, Gen 1 Love design also rotates 360 degrees. Gen 2 have POPMART engraved with white color. Let's compare the card. Gen 1 card has warmer red tone. The estimated weight for Labubu Love design is 116.9 grams. This is my last 2 chances to get the secret special edition design. Please let this blind box be the secret special edition figurine. No, It's not a secret. It's Labubu Hope design. These strings are of a different color from what I have unboxed previously. The arms are adjustable. Take a closer look. The first stitching line is visible. There is little dent on the ear. I think all the Gen 2 Labubu's feet rotates 360 degrees. Let's compare it with Gen 1. Gen 1 Labubu's feet can only adjust slightly. The quality is better. Gen 2 have POPMART engraved with white color. Gen 2 Labubu's back is flat. Different color tone. Gen 2 Labubu has smaller labels. Gen 2 QR code is smaller. Let's scan it later. Gen 2 label has lesser details. Let's compare the card. The Hope card has a slightly lighter tone for the Gen 1. The estimated weight for Labubu Hope design is 116.1 grams. This is my last chance to get the secret special edition design. It's Labubu Happiness design. The arms are adjustable. I think all the Gen 2 Labubu's feet rotates 360 degrees. I was happy with the restock, but unhappy with poor quality production standard. Gen 2 have POPMART engraved with white color. This first stitching line is the worst. Poor production quality. Check the nail color. The head is rotatable. The estimated weight for Labubu Happiness design is 124.8 grams. Happiness design is the heaviest that I have unboxed. Hope design is the lightest. Let's scan the QR code.
Huh?
Wait a minute. Why is it not working? Let's try Hope design. The QR code is too tiny. It's not working. Let's try Love design. Let's try Serenity design. How about Loyalty?
Oh my God.
My last Labubu. Now, let's scan the QR code sticker on the box. Scratch to get the unique serial number. Yes, the QR code is working. Key in the serial number. Result: genuine. Please remember to smash the like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell to be among the first to watch our video.